Hello students, today we are going to start chapter number 3 and I hope you have completed all your previous work. In class 6, we have already learnt about algebraic expression, variables, constant, coefficient and exponent. Actually, these are the basically mathematical terms. An expression can be defined as single or group of terms combined with a symbol plus or minus. Let's consider an example to study in detail. Here we have an algebraic expression 6x square plus 3. Actually, a term consists of coefficient, variable and exponent. So what is coefficient, variable and exponent or power? Let's see. What is a variable? Which value change according to equation that is called variable. For example, A, B, C up to so on X, Y, Z. It means all the alphabets of A, B, C are variables. Constant. Constant means unchanging. A value that does not change. For example, 1, 2, 3 up to so on 100 up to so on. Coefficient. Each of the factors of a product is called coefficient of the remaining factors. For example, 8y raised to power 7. So here 8 is coefficient, y is variable or y is a base and 7 is exponent or power. In simple words, we can say the number before variable is called coefficient. Let's move on. Exercise number 3.1, page number 34 and question number 1 is write the following in symbolic form. The first one is 2 plus 5. So we have to write in symbolic form. So plus 2 plus the sign of plus and 5. Okay, it is in symbolic form. Next, 3a plus 2b. 3a as it plus the sign of plus and 2b. Okay. Now question number 2. Write in the language of algebra. Part 1. Sum of x and y. Sum mean addition. So sum of x and y. So we can write as x plus y. It means sum of x and y. It is an algebraic language. Number 2. The sum when 3 is added to 5x. So 5x added the sign of plus and 3. Students, note, if we write 3 plus 5x, it will be wrong. Why? Because the statement is 3 is added. So 3 is added. You can see 3 is added in 5x. So we will write as 5x first plus 3 is added. So plus 3. Right? Okay. Now question number 3. Simplify. First x plus x plus x. So first we will put the heading of solution. Then rewrite the question. Here we have 3 terms and these are like terms. Actually, these are adding. Actually, we add the coefficient and you can see there is no coefficient. If there is no coefficient, it means coefficient is 1. So here coefficient is 1, 1 and 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. And variable x as it. Right? Now question number 3 and its part 5. X upon y plus x upon y. Again we will put the heading of solution and first rewrite the question. X upon y plus x upon y. These are also like terms. So here we can see no coefficient. So I told you if there is no coefficient, then coefficient is 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 xy and xy both are same. These are like terms. So we will write one time. So answer is 2 x upon y. Is that clear? Now the last question is question number 4. If x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3, then find the values. The first one is x plus y. So first heading of solution, then rewrite the question. So now first we will put the value of x and y. X is equal to y and y is equal to 3. So we have x. So we will put the value of x, that is 2 plus and y, and the value of y is 3. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So value is 5 and answer is 5. Okay, now part 2. 3x plus 4y. Heading of solution, rewrite the question. Now put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. It is given in your question. So we have 3 as it x. So here we will put the value of x, that is 2, plus 4 as it, and value of y is 3. These are multiplying. 3 multiplied by 2, 6, plus 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. Now we have 6 plus 12. So 6 plus 12 is equal to 18. Okay. Now students, your homework is exercise number 3.1, question number 1, part 1 to 5, question number 2, part 1 to 5, question number 3, 1 to 5, and question number 4, 1 to 5. It means you have to complete exercise.